Moët Chandon is arguably the most famous of all French champagne sparkling wine. Moët Chandon. I made a detailed video explaining why you should definitely pronounce Moët and not Moët. Make sure to watch it to understand once and for all why you have to say Moët and not Moët Chandon. The typical French pronunciation, Moët Chandon. Moët Chandon. A being French for and, but it's perfectly fine to say Moët Chandon. Consider subscribing if you like to learn more about champagne, wine in general, and French pronunciation. I'm a French winemaker sharing passion and knowledge of wine on this very channel. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye. Here is my video with all the explanation of how to pronounce Moët Chandon and more importantly why you shouldn't pronounce it any other way. Cheers!